and he organizes a shooting competition. So now in this competition, he thinks that if Robin Hood will be coming to this competition, I will catch him. So that is his plan. So now there's a guy named David in the team of Robin Hood, and his sister works at the sheriff's place. वो शेरिफ क्या काम करती है, तो वो इन लोगों को, रॉबिन हुड और उनके लोगों को इस प्लान के बारे में बता देती है कि उनका प्लान ऐसा है, आपको पकड़ने का प्लान है, सो यू शुड नॉट बी कमिंग टू दिस competition. But Robin Hood decides that we coming in the competition in disguise, कि हम भेष बदलेंगे और competition में आएंगे. So they wear clothes of different colors and they join the competition. So now what happens? This sheriff is very much he's hopeless. कि वो बहुत दुखी हो गया. He became sad and he lost his hope that he will not be able to catch Robin Hood. कि मैंने सारा competition इसके लिए आप रॉबिन हुड को पकड़ने के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया और रॉबिन हुड तो आया ही नहीं. ओके, सो ही इज डिसअपॉइंटेड दैट रॉबिन हुड हैज नॉट कम. सो ही डिसाइड्स टू स्टार्ट द कंपटीशन. रॉबिन हुड नहीं आया तो भी कंपटीशन तो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द कंपटीशन अबाउट? देयर आर सो मेनी सर्कल्स. ठीक है, एक आउटर सर्कल है, फिर इनर सर्कल है, फिर एक और इनर सर्कल है, ऐसे बहुत सारे सर्कल्स हैं. सेंटर में जो है वो व्हाइट सर्कल है एंड द पर्सन, जो भी पर्सन है, उसको क्या करना है, इस व्हाइट सर्कल को शूट करना है. ओके, दिस इज द कंपटीशन अबाउट. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज द कंपटीशन अबाउट. अब द कंपटीशन हैज स्टार्टेड. नाउ द कंपटीशन हैज स्टार्टेड. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट्स, दिस इज द चैप्टर जो हमने अभी तक किया था. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर from now on. This is the chapter where it begins. So the archers began to shoot. Okay, archers जो है, जो तीरंदाज हैं, वो shoot करना start करते हैं. Every time an arrow hit the white spot, the crowd cheered. The white spot is in the middle of the centers. The white spot is at the center of the all the centers. So जब भी कोई तीर इस व्हाइट स्पॉट को हिट करता था, तो जो पूरा जो क्राउड है, दे यूज्ड टू चीयर. सब लोग चिल्लाते थे, सब लोग खुशी से चिल्लाते थे कि व्हाइट स्पॉट हिट हुआ है. लेकिन एक्चुअली जो कंपटीशन था वो क्या था? Someone is saying, कोई मेरा नाम यूज कर रहा है, आतिफ इन ईशान अंसारी. What is this? What happened? Atif, just raise your hand. Atif, raise your hand. Atif, raise your hand. I'm saying. Atif, where are you? Just raise your hand. Yes, Atif, what the problem do you have? I'm unmuting you.
यस मैम. मैम जिस नाम पर मैम कोई पता नहीं मैम, मेरी हर क्लास में मेरा नाम यूज कर रहा है मैम.
कोई नाम आपका यूज कैसे करेगा? आतिफ, एक तो अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए.
मैम जैसा कि नाम,
बात करिए मुझसे. कैमरा ऑन करिए अपना. मैं भी अपना कैमरा ऑफ कर दूं फिर बात करें हम. कैमरा ऑन करिए अपना. आतिफ, योर कैमरा इज नॉट ऑन, योर डीपी इज शोइंग. प्लीज, आपको बात करनी है तो मुझसे कैमरा ऑन करके करिए. बोलिए अब.
मैम कोई मेरा नाम यूज कर रहा है मैम, पता नहीं कौन है मैम. मैम जैसा कि नाम हम जूम ओपन करते हैं, फिर नाम
कुछ टू ग्रोन, और जैसे कोई आउट होता है फॉर एग्जांपल क्रिकेट के अंदर, तो सब लोग हो ऐसा करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्रोनिंग. ओके, सब लोग सैड होके आवाज निकालते थे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्रोनिंग. So archers who missed the target had to drop out of the competition. So जिन archers से target miss हुआ, उनको competition से बाहर हो गए वो. The excitement grew as the archers kept dropping out of the match. So एक के बाद एक क्या हुआ? Archers were going out of the competition. They were dropping out of the competition. Robin and his men shot splendidly. और Robin Hood ने और उसके आदमियों ने, उसकी टीम ने, उन्होंने एकदम splendidly shot किया. मतलब बहुत अच्छे से वो शूटिंग करे थे. Some said, if Robin was here and all his merry men to boot, none of them could beat these men. So bravely do they shoot. Okay, तो कुछ लोगों ने क्या कहा, अगर रॉबिन हुड यहाँ होता, if Robin Hood was here, और उसके जो merry men, उसकी जो टीम है, if the team was here, तो they will shoot so nicely, they will join the competition so nicely that they will hit all the targets. Okay. Yes, said the sheriff and scratched his head. तो sheriff ने बोला हाँ ये तो ठीक बात है कि रॉबिन हुड होता तो वो सारे जो स्पॉट्स है वाइट स्पॉट्स हैं वो हिट कर देता. I thought he would have been here. I thought he would, but he thought he is bold. But thought he is bold. He dare not now appear. So now what does was the sheriff say? कि I thought he would have been here. मैंने सोचा था कि वो आएगा. कौन आएगा? रॉबिन हुड आएगा, कंपटीशन के अंदर आएगा. I thought he would. मैंने सोचा था वो आएगा. But thought he is bold. But thought he is bold. लेकिन वो bold निकला. He dare not now appear. लेकिन वो आके तो दिखाए एक बार इस कंपटीशन में आके तो दिखाए. वो बोल रहा है कि अगर रॉबिन हुड आएगा तो मैं उसको पकड़ लूंगा. Okay, children, let's move to the next page. We will continue with the oral response questions at the end of the chapter, at the end of the class. Okay. Okay, so let's move on the next page. Yeah. Okay, children. So you have to complete these 3 questions as your assignment today. Okay. So you got your assignment for today. These 3 questions you have to complete as your assignment. Okay. So let's move to the chapter. रॉबिन heard the sheriff's word and was angry. लेकिन रॉबिन हुड ने अभी जो शेरिफ ने बोला ये बात कि वो आके तो दिखाए मैं उसको पकड़ लूंगा. So Robin Hood got angry. उसको गुस्सा आ गया. He wanted so much to tell the sheriff that he was right there. He wanted to tell the sheriff कि मैं यहीं पे हूँ और shooting competition join भी कर रखा है मैंने. He decided he'd win the prize and find a way to let the sheriff know somehow that he had won. उसने क्या डिसाइड किया कि अब तो मैं कंपटीशन में जो पार्ट अभी तक तो मैं सिर्फ पार्ट ले रहा था अब तो मैं प्राइज भी जीत के जाऊंगा और शेरिफ को बताऊंगा कि मैं तुम्हारा प्राइज जो है वो रॉबिन हुड जीत के ले गया है कि तुमने तो कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया था रॉबिन हुड को पकड़ने के लिए बट उल्टा क्या हुआ रॉबिन हुड ही प्राइज जीत के ले जा रहा है दैट आई विल टेल टू द शेरिफ. As the shooting went on, the people cheered. So now the people cheered. वापस जैसे shooting हो रही थी सारा crowd जो है वो चिल्ला रहा है. Some cried blue jacket, another cried brown, a third cried brave yellow, but the fourth man said that man in red in this place has no fellow. So अब कुछ लोग चिल्ला रहे थे कि ये blue वाला बहुत अच्छा shoot कर रहा है, ये brown वाला बहुत अच्छा shoot कर रहा है, yellow वाला बहुत अच्छा shoot कर रहा है. Some said नहीं ये जो red वाले में है वो बंदा बहुत अच्छी चीजें shoot कर रहा है और उसके टक्कर का कोई आदमी नहीं है. There is nobody in competition with the red man. अब crowd को इन प्लेयर्स के जो कॉम्पिटिटर्स थे उनके तो नाम नहीं पता थे तो वो उनको कैसे नाम से ले रहे थे उनके कपड़ों के नाम से कि रेड वाला बहुत अच्छे से खेल रहा है येलो वाला अच्छे से खेल रहा है ऐसे. अब who was the person in the red clothes? The man in red was Robin and the men called brave yellow was David of Doncaster. So in red it was Robin and in yellow clothes it was the David of Doncaster. Okay, so these two were shooting and these two were shooting bravely. उनको ये बहुत अच्छे से shoot कर रहे थे. So now what happens? The shooting came to an end. So the competition ends. And of course, Robin won the silver arrow with the golden head. And what was the prize of the competition? It was a silver arrow. Nikhil Singh Tomar is raising his hand. What happened there? Nikhil Singh Tomar, you were raising your hand. Okay, you are not here anymore. Okay, so what happens now? Robin Hood, he wins the silver arrow. He wins the competition. And उसने क्या किया अब उसने कंपटीशन जीत लिया और कंपटीशन का जो प्राइस था दैट वाज अ सिल्वर एरो था जिसके ऊपर आगे क्या था गोल्डन हेड था. पूरा एरो जो था वो सिल्वर कलर नहीं सिल्वर का बना हुआ था चांदी का बना हुआ था और एरो का जो हेड होता है जिससे आप शूट करते हो वो गोल्ड का बना हुआ था. द शेरिफ्स वाइफ प्रेजेंटेड इट टू हिम. सो नाउ हु गेव द प्राइज टू रॉबिन हुड? शेरिफ की जो वाइफ थी उन्होंने रॉबिन हुड को वो प्राइज दिया द सिल्वर एरो. Robin and his merry men went back to Sherwood Forest. So in twos and threes as they had come. अब Robin Hood और उसके merry men जो थी उसकी जो टीम थी वो they went back to the Sherwood Forest. Sherwood Forest is the place where these people live. Sherwood Forest क्या है? जिस जगह पे वो वाला फॉरेस्ट है जिसके अंदर रॉबिन हुड और उसके लोग रहते हैं और वो वापस से फॉरेस्ट के अंदर चले गए. They gathered together in the green woods and laughed about how they had tricked the sheriff once again. So again, when they gathered in the forest, वापस जब वो इकट्ठे हुए फॉरेस्ट में, so they laughed about कि उन्होंने कैसे बेवकूफ बनाया शेरिफ को उन्होंने कैसे ट्रिक किया, कैसे बेवकूफ बनाया. सो दे वर लाफिंग अबाउट इट. देन रॉबिन सेड, आई वांट हिम टू नो वी वर देयर, कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसको पता चले कि हम कंपटीशन में पार्ट भी लेके गए एंड हम कंपटीशन जीत के भी गए. रॉबिन हुड वांटेड शेरिफ टू नो दैट, रॉबिन कि उसको पता लगे कि हम आके गए थे. आई वांट हिम टू नो दैट आई वन द सिल्वर एरो. आई वांट शेरिफ टू नो, रॉबिन हुड वांटेड शेरिफ टू नो that he had won the silver arrow. Then one of his men called Little John, who was actually a big tall man, said, "You must write him a letter." So now a person in the team of Robin Hood, what was his name? Little John. Okay, Little John was his name. Little John उसका नाम था, लेकिन वो actually he was a tall big guy. Okay, वो लंबा चौड़ा बंदा था, लेकिन उसका नाम क्या था? Little John था. So one of his men, Little John, what does he do? He suggested Robin Hood that you should write a letter to the sheriff. कि आपको sheriff को एक letter लिखना चाहिए. Okay, but how are we going to send it to him? But Robin Hood says, but how are we going to send this letter to the sheriff? हम sheriff को ये letter भेजेंगे कैसे? There was no postman in those days. उस वक्त ऐसे चिट्ठियां और पोस्टमैन और व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस ये सब नहीं होता था. पोस्टमैन भी नहीं होते थे. बहुत पुरानी बात है ये. ओके, I shall put it on the tip of an arrow and shoot it into the town. So Robin Hood decides what said Little John. जॉन ने क्या कहा कि मैं ये जो आप एक लेटर लिखो ऐसा करके, उस लेटर को मैं एरो के ऊपर रखूंगा और फिर वो एरो मैं टाउन के अंदर शूट कर दूंगा, मतलब सिटी के अंदर शूट कर दूंगा. Bravo, bravo, shouted everyone. Bravo, bravo means अरे वाह, जो अपन जैसे बोलते हैं ना अरे वाह, that is English में called as bravo, कि वाह क्या बात है, that is called as bravo. So everyone shouted bravo, bravo. Hurrah for our clever Little John, कि अरे वाह Little John का आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है, that's a great idea, bravo. The project was well performed. Okay, so now the sheriff the letter had, which when he read, he scratched his head and raved like one that's mad. Okay, so now what does he do? अब जो लिटिल जॉन था उसने उस एरो के आगे वो लेटर लिख के और उसको शूट कर दिया. अब शेरिफ को जब ये लेटर मिला, when sheriff got this letter, what did he do? He scratched his head कि मैंने इतना सारा कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया, रॉबिन हुड को पकड़ने के लिए इतना क्राउड इकट्ठा हुआ, रॉबिन हुड ने फिर भी ज्वाइन कर लिया और वो मेरा इनफैक्ट प्राइज भी जीत के ले गया. सो दैट्स हाउ रॉबिन हुड was a brave person. Such brave person was he कि उसने कंपटीशन में पार्ट भी लिया. वो चाहता तो नहीं पार्ट ले सकता था, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था, बट he wanted to show sheriff that you were not able to catch me, कि आप मुझे नहीं पकड़ पाओगे. That he wanted to tell, that he wanted to show whom, that he wanted to show the sheriff कि आप मुझे नहीं पकड़ पाओगे. So that's how Robin Hood wins the silver arrow, and he wins the silver arrow, and he sends a letter to sheriff that I was there in the competition and you were not able to catch me. Okay, children, so let's move towards the oral response questions. Firstly, let's start with the oral response questions on page number, where is it? Let me see. Yeah, so let's start with the oral response question on page number 23. Okay, I'm not able to take it out. Let's see. Yeah, so let's take out the oral response questions on page number 23. Wait. Divyanjali is raising her hand. What happened, Divyanjali? Yes, Divyanjali, you were raising your hand. Divyanjali, your camera is not on. Please turn your camera on, then only I can unmute you. Please turn your camera on. Yes, Divyanjali, what happened?
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
मेरी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है?
यस मैम.
सब बाकी ओके, लेट मी आस्क द क्लास. बच्चों, मेरी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है क्या या कम आ रही है? इज देयर अ प्रॉब्लम विद माय वॉइस? anyone? Okay, let me ask others. Aryan, I'm unmuting you. आर्यन, मेरी वॉइस आपको क्लियर आ रही है क्या?
यस मैम.
एकदम क्लियरली आ रही है जैसे हमेशा क्लास में आती है, या कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है?
नो मैम.
नहीं आ रही है. दिव्यांजलि, एक सेकंड रुकिए, मुझे और किसी को भी पूछने दीजिए. Harshita, I'm unmuting you, okay? Harshita Soni.
Yes,
हर्षिता आपको मेरी वॉइस आ रही है?
yes, ma'am.
क्लियरली आ रही है जैसे रोज आती है वैसे?
Ma'am.
ओके हर्षिता आप ओके ओके म्यूट कर लीजिए हर्षिता अपने आप को प्लीज ओके। दिव्यांजलि आपके इधर से ही मेरे ख्याल से ऑडियो ऑडियो में प्रॉब्लम है। आपकी वॉइस भी जब आप ईयरफोन्स पे प्लग्ड होते तब आज तो मुझे आ रही है आपकी वॉइस, रोज अदरवाइज नहीं आती है। बाकी मेरी वॉइस आई गेस पूरी क्लास में क्लियरली ऑडिबल है या थोड़ी सी भी कम ऑडिबल है?
मैम
अगर क्लियरली ऑडिबल
मैम
अब सही आ रही है?
मैम
ओके ओके then cool okay okay Kanishk is raising his hand. Kanishk, what happened? Kanishk, I'm unmuting you. Wait who's wait Kanishk, I'm unmuting you. I'm not able to. Divanjali, please lower your hand. Kanishk is raising his hand. Kanishk, I'm not able to see you first thing and I'm not able to unmute you. Kanishk, आपका कैमरा ऑन करिए प्लीज, तभी मैं कुछ आपको अनम्यूट कर पाऊंगी। अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए प्लीज। Okay, you're not there. Okay, children, let's start with the oral response questions. Question number 1. Who heard the sheriff's word? Okay, question number 1. Who heard the sheriff's word? Sheriff के जो words थे, क्या words थे first thing? कि रॉबिन हुड अगर आएगा तो मैं यहाँ उसको पकड़ लूंगा, ऐसे जो words थे, ये किसने hear किए? Who heard the sheriff's word? Who heard the sheriff's words? Okay, Acha, you are answering. Okay, yeah, Bharat, I'm unmuting you, okay? Yes, Bharat, I'm unmuting you. Tell me.
Robin.
Who heard the sheriff's words?
Robin heard the sheriff's words and was angry.
Yeah, we are just asking किसने hear किए sheriff के words से किसने hear किए? So we simply answer Robin heard the sheriff's words. Okay. हमें angry है कि happy है ये सब नहीं लिखना है. When the question is asked who heard the sheriff's word, इतना सा question है तो हम आंसर भी उसका क्या लिखेंगे छोटा सा, Robin Hood heard the sheriff's words. Okay. Okay, हमको ऐसे के ऐसे बुक में से कॉपी नहीं करना है, जो आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसके हिसाब से आपको आंसर करना है. ओके okay children, question number 2. Bharat, please mute yourself. Okay, question number 2. How did people cheer? How did people cheer? People cheered merrily. The people cheered, this is the cheering which they had. Okay, that blue jacket, they cried, they shouted the names of the archers, they shouted the names of the archers by their clothing. उनके जो clothing का जो color था उसके हिसाब से वो चिल्ला चिल्ला के उनका नाम ले रहे थे. Okay. Okay, people are raising their hands. What happened? Okay. Okay, question number 3. Who was in the red clothes? So we know who was in the red clothes. It was Robin Hood who was in the red clothes. And who was in yellow clothes? Who was in yellow clothes, children? Yes, answer me. Yes, Pehel, I'm unmuting you.
मैम मुझे मैम 23 पेज नंबर पे ओरल रिस्पांस नहीं करा आपने.
23 पेज नंबर पे हम 23 अच्छा हम 24 पे आ गए हैं. ओके हम 23 वाले वापस चले जाएंगे. एक बार आप 23 वाले का 24 कंप्लीट कर रहे थे फिर 23 पे वापस चले जाएंगे. यस, आंसर मी दिस क्वेश्चन. हु वाज इन द रेड क्लोथ्स? इट वाज रॉबिन हुड. एंड हु वाज इन येलो क्लोथ्स? आंसर मी पहल. येलो क्लोथ्स किसने पहने थे? हिज फेलो. What was his name? What was his name? So David of Doncaster, he was wearing yellow clothes. Okay. Okay, Pehel, mute yourself, please. Yeah. Who was a brave man? Who was a brave? It is, please don't correct it here. It should be a man. M-A-N. When we are saying a single man, it should be M-A-N, man. Okay, not men. Man is the plural of man. Okay. So who was the brave man? Robin Hood was the brave man, and that we know. Okay, that's a simple question. Okay, so let's move towards the oral response questions on page number 23 first. Wait. Yeah. Question number on page number 23. Question number 1 it is. How many targets were there for the archers? How many targets were there for the archers? Yes, faster. I want the answers faster. Anshul, I'm unmuting you. Okay, I have unmuted some other person, I guess. Yes, Anshul Maheshwari, I'm unmuting you.
There are 50 targets were there for the archers.
Yeah, good. So, Anshul, please mute yourself. Question number 2. What is the color of the middle target? हाँ बोलिए.
मैम ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन भी ले रहे और रिस्पांस. Who was
ऊपर
unable
वाले
person?
ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चंस हम कर चुके हैं शायद. नहीं हुए?
No ma'am.
नहीं हुए हैं. Okay, so I'll
No,
just
ma'am.
answer those questions quickly. Okay. Okay, Anshul, mute yourself, please. What is the color of the middle target? So, what is the color of the middle target? The color of the middle target was white. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3 is here. How many rings were there and in which color? So, अब targets के अंदर कितनी rings थी? The middle, then there was the middle of the target was painted white. Then came a red ring, then a black one, and the last ring that was yellow. Okay, so that's how you have to answer this question. कि कितनी rings थी इसके अंदर? There were 50 targets और 50 targets के अंदर क्या था? 50 targets and middle जो target था, it was white. Then it was a red ring. Then it was a black. Then it was a yellow ring. Okay, what is the target of the archers? So what is the target of the archers? Archers had to shoot the white spot in the middle. जो target के बीच में जो white spot था, archers को वो shoot करना था. Okay. Okay, children. So let's move towards the oral response question, जो इसके just ऊपर है. Who was the unhappy person? So अब जो पूरा competition चल रहा था, ये कब की बात है जब पूरा competition चल रहा था, लेकिन कौन वेट कर रहा था यहाँ competition के अंदर? शेरिफ वेट कर रहा था रॉबिनहुड का, लेकिन रॉबिनहुड नहीं आया. So who was the unhappy person here? The unhappy person was the sheriff. The sheriff of Nottingham was the unhappy person. Why was he unhappy? He was unhappy because he had organized this whole competition to catch Robin Hood, but Robin Hood did not come. Okay, वो खुश नहीं था, he was sad. क्यों था? Because he had organized this competition to catch Robin Hood, but Robin Hood did not come. Question number 3. What did sheriff? Okay. What did sheriff says about Robin? Sheriff ने Robin Hood के बारे में क्या कहा? Yes, children, answer me. Just wait for a second. It's already moved. Yeah, so we are here. Yeah. So, question number 3. What did sheriff says about Robin Hood? Robin Hood के बारे में sheriff ने क्या कहा? Yes, children, answer me this question faster. What did sheriff says about Robin Hood? Nobody knows the answer. Okay, Aditya Vyas, I'm unmuting you. Yes,
What?
Aditya.
Ma'am, he couldn't miss the chance.
Yeah, so the sheriff says that the Robin is surely going to come to this competition and he will not miss the chance to win the silver arrow. Okay, Robin Hood will surely come to the competition and he will not miss the chance to win the silver arrow. Okay. Okay, please mute yourself. Question number 4. Who were taking part in the competition? Who were taking part in the competition? So there were so many people who were taking part in the competition, and also the men of Robin Hood, also the Robin Hood and his merry men, they were also taking part in the competition. Okay. Who else was taking part in the competition? There were many people who were taking part in the competition. There was a list of people who were taking part in the competition, and Robin Hood and his merry men, they were also taking part in the competition. Okay, so I guess we have completed the questions on page number 23, the oral response questions on page number 23. So let's move on the oral response questions on page number 24 that we have also completed. So let's move on page number 25. Yeah. Children, let's move on page number 25 and on the oral response questions there. Question number 1, who won the silver arrow with the golden head? So very, very simple question. Who won the silver arrow with the golden head? Robin Hood won the silver arrow with the golden head. Question number 2, where did Robin and his merry men go back? Robin Hood or his merry men go back. कहाँ गए वो वापस से? Well, answer me, children. Okay, Divyanjali, I'm unmuting you.
Sherwood Forest.
Yeah, good. So Robin Hood and his merry men went back to the Sherwood Forest. Okay, please mute yourself,
Sherwood
Divyanjali.
Forest.
Yeah, mute yourself. Question number 3. What did Robin say after reaching to the place? What did Robin say after reaching to the place? What did Robin say? Okay, Niharika, I'm unmuting you. Okay, I have unmuted someone else. Yes, Niharika. Question number 3.
Robin said, yes, ma'am. Robin said that he wanted to know the sheriff that he was also there in the competition and won
Yes.
the silver arrow.
Yeah, good. So Robin Hood said that he wanted to know the sheriff that he was in the competition and he has also won the silver arrow. Okay, who was Little John? Question number 4. Who was Little John? Yes, children, answer me. Okay, again and again, the same people are raising their hands. I want others also to answer the questions. हर बार हर क्लास में same people answer नहीं करेंगे. मुझे दूसरे लोगों से भी I want them to raise their hands and I want them to answer the questions. Okay. Okay, question number 4. Who was Little John? Devraj Gurjar, I'm unmuting you. I'm not able to. Devraj is traveling somewhere. Devraj, please turn your camera on. I'm unmuting you. हाँ जी बोलिए. मैं आपको बार बार म्यूट कर रही हूँ. आप अपने बार को अनम्यूट मत करिए प्लीज.
मैम बिकॉज ऑफ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम मैम मैं पूरी क्लास नहीं ले पाया.
एक भी क्लास नहीं ली अभी तक या आज की क्लास नहीं
ले पाया.
आज की क्लास नहीं ली है या फिर पूरी कोई भी क्लास नहीं ली है?
नहीं मैम आज की
क्लास नहीं ली है. Okay, then please mute yourself and okay, cool. Anyone else who knows the answer for that? Atif, please, I'm telling you again and again, please turn your camera on. आप हर थोड़ी देर में भाग जाते हैं. This is not acceptable. I hope that is clear. Okay. चलन जिनके भी कैमरास ऑन नहीं है, मैं फिर से बोल रही हूँ, अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लीजिए. ये सारा जो है ये स्कूल एडमिन में नोट होता है कि कौन प्रेजेंट था कौन नहीं प्रेजेंट था. आपके घर पे फोन जाएगा, देन डोंट टेल मी. आई हैव ऑलरेडी वार्नड यू, प्लीज टर्न योर कैमरास ऑन ड्यूरिंग द होल क्लास. Okay, so we were there. Where were we? Who was Little John? Yes, answer me. Okay, Aryan, I'm unmuting you.
The little John was actually a bigger, tall man and said that he must write him a letter.
No, we are saying who was Little John. ठीक है, उसने क्या कहा, वो क्या करता था, ये हम सब नहीं पूछ रहे. Who was Little John? सबसे पहले ये बताओ, Little John था कौन? Little John was a person in Robin Hood's team. Robin Hood की टीम में था. Okay, and he was actually a tall big guy. He was a tall big man. Okay, हमको इतना सा बात करनी है. Little John ने क्या कहा क्या नहीं कहा, we are not saying that. हमको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है, who was Little John? So Little John was a person in Robin Hood's team and he was a tall big man. Okay, बुक में से एज इट इज हमको कहीं से छापना नहीं है. हमको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन जो पूछा है उसका आंसर देखना है. अगर क्वेश्चन जो पूछा है उसका आंसर बुक में एज इट इज है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तब लिख लेंगे. लेकिन क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से हम बुक के अंदर से आंसर लेंगे, बस इतना सा बात करना है. आंसर पूरा का पूरा एज इट इज जो भी है वो कॉपी कर दिया, नो, दैट वी आर नॉट डूइंग. ओके, जो क्वेश्चन है उसके हिसाब से आंसर करें, इतनी सी बात है. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर these ones. One first, what did little John said to Robin? What did little John said to Robin? Yes, children, answer me. What did little John said to Robin? Yes, children, raise your hands and answer me. Harshita, I'm unmuting you.
John said to Robin to must write a letter.
Yeah, you must write a letter to whom? You must
To
write a letter
Sheriff.
to sheriff. Okay.
Sheriff.
Okay, please mute. Yeah, good, Harshita, please mute yourself. Question number, where is the question? Question number 2. How have they decided to send it? How have they have decided to send the letter? Atif, I'm unmuting you. Atif, please, again, I'm telling you, turn your camera on. How many times do I have to tell you? Yes, question number, where was it? Question number 2. How have they decided to send the letter? How have the team of Robin Hood has decided to send the letter? Okay, Anshul, I'm unmuting you.
They have decided to how have they have decided
Yeah, how have they decided?
they
To?
have decided that we will shoot arrow to the sheriff town arrow to the sheriff town.
They have decided to put the arrow on the tip of the arrow, to put the letter on the tip of the arrow and shoot it in the town. Okay, उन्होंने कैसे decide किया letter भेजने का? That we will put the arrow on at the tip of the, oh sorry, my children, that we will put the letter on the tip of the arrow and we will shoot it in the town. Okay, okay, Anshul, mute yourself, please. Question number 3. Why everyone shouted? Question number 3. Why everyone shouted? So why everyone shouted? Yes, answer me this question. Question number 3. Why everyone shouted? Niharika, I'm unmuting you. Harshita, you're also raising your hand, but your camera is not on, dear. Please turn your camera on. Harshita. Okay, Niharika, I'm unmuting.